All right, so I want to talk about making a fruit smoothie in the morning. I do this almost every day. Real easy. Takes about, I don't know, 5 minutes for me to put it together and then run it through the blender. Consists of a base of coconut water. I add strawberries, blueberries. I'll do some frozen spinach with it. Edamame for some protein. And then I'll put in, the secret ingredients to me are a little bit of avocado, a little bit of turmeric, and a little bit of fresh ginger. So right now I've got fresh turmeric. I chopped up the fresh ginger and I've got it frozen. So the more the ingredients that are frozen makes it a little bit easier to blend it up, keep it all nice and cold. And start putting these in. I like to put it there. Okay, edamame, let's get that in. Okay. Okay, let's get that in. All right. Turmeric. All right, a couple pieces of ginger. Throw those in. Coconut water. Throw it up to there. And, okay, next, put the lid on here. Okay. Okay, so I got my smoothie complete. Let's open it up, take a look. Yeah, you know, this one's a little more liquidy than I like. So what I might do is throw some more ice in it. I like mine more of a, but let me give it a try though. I like mine a little bit thicker than this. So I'm gonna put some more ice in it and give it another whirl in the Ninja. But let me try it first. So good. Strawberry. Okay, so with the ice in here now, I got the consistency that I like. Might have to use a spoon to get started on this, but it's a great smoothie. Here it is. The color on this is a little dark. You know, I've got a lot of blueberries in there. You know, if you wanted to brighten it up, obviously a little bit more strawberry, and you'll get more of a nice pink, red, you know, strawberry type color. So you can experiment with that. But aesthetics aside, it's good. It's real good.